This is a reverse osmosis membrane. It is a type of a semi-permeable filter with 0.00 micron. They are available in different models such as 4040, 8040, 8080, etc. Their use is dependent on the TDC concentration and flow rate of water to be purified. It is installed right after sediment filtration. It requires a high-pressure pump for a reverse osmosis process to take place. To install it into the system, it is first lubricated to facilitate it to slide into the casing housing with much ease. The membrane has direction of flow, thus you insert it into the housing as indicated on the membrane. Once done, you then close the connectors to facilitate the flow when the machine begins to run.